Welcome to Topographic Survey Workflows Part 3. In this installment, we're going to cover creating line work using Virtual Surveyor. So, just to recap what we've done so far, in Part 1, we used Virtual Surveyor, but only to create points for our utilities. Then, in Part 2, we used the roadway and alignment tool to create points and line work along our curbs and centerline. Now, by zooming in, we'll see that our line work and our points end short of where our point cloud actually ends. So we're going to use the Virtual Surveyor tool to create line work to fill some of these areas in. First, I'm going to focus on this curb line over here. And by that, I'm going to go to my perspective mode so that when I rotate in, I can easily see my curb line. Now, just like in Part 1, you can go up to Tools in Virtual Surveyor, and this box will appear again. In this case, we're not opening an existing file again, so we'll just hit skip. Once our Virtual Surveyor toolbox appears, we're going to come up top and we're also going to open up our Smart Pick viewport and choose lowest point. Now we can turn off the FC, type in our starting point number, change our default code library, and then type in the code that we wish to use. And now we can come over and begin to select our points on the curve. Once complete, we're going to hit Start under Create Lines, then click the FC and hit the check mark, and you'll see that it created the line work and the codes. Once again, we'll turn off FC. We're going to change our coding one more time, change this to highest point this time, and again, select the points right over those. Once complete again, just hit Start, FC, the top, and now we're ready one more time to create our back curb. But for this, I'm going to close the Smart Pick viewport. I'm just going to rotate around, then turn off our automatic feature candidate, change our feature code to back curb, and then select our points. Again, once complete, hit Start, FC, and check mark. Now we're going to turn around and look at the back walk on the other side of the street, as this will be done in the same manner we just did the back curb on the other side of the street. Once finished, we can start, feature code, and check mark. Then we could move on and fill in the rest of our remaining gaps